and learn how to make healthier choices. When heated to high temperatures, cooking oil can release harmful chemicals and free radicals. These substances can have negative effects on our health and increase the risk of various diseases. One of the main concerns is the production of acrylamide, a potentially carcinogenic compound, when frying foods at high temperatures. Acrylamide has been linked to an increased risk of cancer, so it's important to be mindful of our cooking methods. Additionally, cooking oil can oxidize and form harmful free radicals when exposed to heat and air. These free radicals can damage our cells and contribute to inflammation and various chronic diseases. But don't worry, there are healthier alternatives to cooking oil that can still add flavor to our dishes. Consider using options like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, which have higher smoke points and contain beneficial nutrients. When using cooking oil, it's important to moderate the amount we use. Excessive consumption of oil can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Remember, moderation is key. Incorporating healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or grilling can also reduce our reliance on cooking oil. These methods retain more nutrients and minimize the formation of harmful compounds. By being aware of the potential dangers of cooking oil and making informed choices, we can take better care of our bodies and promote our overall well-being. Let's prioritize our health and make conscious decisions in the kitchen.